as you can see, I've prepared a moon earlier. Purple, some crimson, some white and some black. I'll start with just a little bit of crimson. I'm going to go around this area, right sort of in the middle, just here, just a little bit, not too much crimson. Right, I'm going to go into this purple now. I'm just going to add this purple all over, and we are going to go over the moon. Right, I'm just going to come straight onto this moon. See, I've done darker side there, and then I want to make this sort of light here. So I'm going to go with purple down here. Just a little bit of white onto the brush here. And all I want to do is lighten up this sky. Sort of darkish area up there, just, there we go, just something like that. Down here I'm going to pick through here, just to see it's just a little bit brighter. The idea of this one come from the Northern Lights the other night when I'd done the crimson and the purple together, and them clouds, they looked so good. So I just thought I'd try and come up with an idea of this one. And just support for the channel, it's Patreon. There's a link underneath my profile picture on TikTok. Come and join us there. It's just £1 a month. You can chat, you get to know when I'm coming live, you can send pictures. Yeah, so you can also message me there and anyone else in the group. So it's just £1 a month, like, and you can choose different tiers, and you can even get free prints and paintings. So do go and check it out. You'll be more than welcome there. A little bit of the titanium white out. I'm going to put this in the paint. It's just a toothbrush. It's not the best toothbrush, to be honest. I could use a flat one. It's got like ridges, but okay. Just a little flick of stars up here. I'm going to do this lightly until it builds up. Just the tiniest amount of black in with this purple over here. It's dark colour, but you can still see some purple. I'm going to make some little distant mountains. And all I want to do here is an outline. Just an outline. I'm going to pull this colour down. I'm going into some more black here. And we'll just come somewhere, I don't know, maybe here. There's a little hill there. Some thick white here. Have a nice bit of water. I'm going to come across here. Just a nice little stream. Right, I'm just going to grab this and pull this down. Here. I want to get like a little shine on this. And then just straight across here. Look at the change, look at the change as I'm going across. Wow, that's going to look so good. Now I'll create little bits of land, just neaten up that edge. This is what I mean about bringing the land onto the water. Maybe it comes to about there, something like that. And start bringing this one in. And all I want to do is just a little line of trees. We can just sit them up here. Just some little trees up here. Some little gaps and stuff. Are you enjoying the live? If so, you know what to do down there. The old share button and then the yellow repost button. A couple of buttons can help out if you're enjoying this. So we've got a little bit of purple, let's go with this white here. We can add a little bit of that liquid white in as well. Get just a little bit bigger there. I could go just above the waterline, because then that could be just a little bit of shadow in the water, you see. some black paint, and we're going to go with a nice tree that's going to go about here. And a big tree. Little branches that come off this. This one. Where one's crossover and all sorts of stuff going on in this one. Crossover ones. I want to see lots of little crossover ones in this one. We've got the 1-inch brush here, and we're going to put some stuff on here. Just putting a little bit of shadow in there, nothing too mad. There we go. So this is 527. Let's go right into that moon. And we've got the stars there. Look at the stars. The tree, the little bit of glow catching from the moon, and the little bit of light catching down there.
If you've enjoyed this one, then please leave a like, comment and share. It really helps, and I'll see you in the next one.